Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of premium television with a sneak peek at the LG OLED65G4. Let's see what LG has brought to the table in 2024. The LG OLED65G4 is the latest addition to LG's premium TV lineup, unveiled at CES 2024. While it may not bring a revolution, it promises to deliver evolution in terms of picture performance and design. Let's start with the design. The OLED65G4 maintains its sleek and minimalistic look, perfect for wall mounting. However, LG has introduced a new stand option in select markets, providing more flexibility for those who prefer not to wall mount their TV. The stand features a wide, central plinth and offers two height options, allowing you to customize the setup according to your preferences. It's a welcome addition for those who want the OLED65G4 but prefer a freestanding setup. Moving on to features, the OLED65G4 packs some impressive specs. With a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz and support for HDR formats like Dolby Vision and HLG, it's ready to deliver a cinematic experience like no other. Powered by the Alpha 11 AI processor, the OLED65G4 boasts improved brightness and eye-driven picture enhancements. From object-enhancing to AI director processing, LG promises a more immersive viewing experience. But what about sound? While I didn't get a chance to test the speakers myself, the OLED65G4 comes equipped with an 11.1.2 channel sound system powered by the Alpha 11 AI processor. Plus, features like Dynamic Sound Booster and Voice Remastered aim to enhance audio clarity. In conclusion, the LG OLED65G4 impresses with its evolutionary upgrades in picture quality, design, and features. While we'll have to wait for a full review to assess its performance thoroughly, it's clear that LG is continuing to push the boundaries of premium TV technology. That's all for today's sneak peek at the LG OLED65G4. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.